Welcome back to Tool Talk Pro. Today we're diving into one of the most essential tools on earth, the humble screwdriver. Simple? Yes. Replaceable? Never.
Seriously, you could lose your wallet, your keys, or even your lunch, but lose your screwdriver and suddenly nothing works anymore.
So today we're reviewing the top 5 screwdrivers on the market right now. The ones worth buying, whether you're a pro technician or someone who just fixes loose cabinet handles every weekend. Starting strong with the ELORA Pro Series screwdrivers, engineered in Germany. These are built for professionals who need precision and consistency.
They use high alloy German steel, meaning the tips don't chip or deform easily, even under heavy torque.
And those handles. They're designed to deliver maximum grip without hurting your hand. It's like someone studied your palm for months and said,
"Yes, this is the chosen shape."
If durability had a superhero, this would be it.
Wera is famous for taking everyday tools and making them feel futuristic. Their craft-form handle design is almost iconic.
The laser-etched tips give a crazy amount of friction. These things grip screws like they owe them money.
Also, they're comfortable for long-term use. Perfect for electricians, technicians, or anyone who works in tight, awkward spaces.
If you love ergonomic tools, Yew is your brand. Their soft-finish screwdrivers feel like holding a stress ball that actually fixes things.
They're super lightweight, but still incredibly strong. And they're certified by the German AGR organization for hand comfort.
Basically, they're the chiropractors of the screwdriver world.
For the budget-friendly crowd, Stanley FatMax is an excellent choice. The quality-to-price ratio is fantastic.
You get strong chrome vanadium steel shafts, solid precision tips, and comfortable rubberized handles, all without breaking the bank.
Great for beginners or anyone building their first toolkit.
Klein Tools dominates the electrical field, and their cushion grip screwdrivers explain why.
They have exceptional insulation, strong magnetic tips, and handles that give you serious torque without slipping.
If you work around wiring, Klein is practically the industry standard.
All right, quick bonus pick. The Clean 11-in-1 multi-bit screwdriver.
If Batman had a screwdriver, it would be this one.
One handle, 11 functions. Perfect if you hate switching tools every 2 minutes.
If you want maximum durability, go with ELORA.
If you want comfort and premium ergonomics, go with Wera or Yew.
If you want something affordable and reliable, Stanley FatMax is your friend.
And for electrical work, Klein is hard to beat. No matter what you choose, investing in a quality screwdriver makes every job easier and prevents chewed-up screws, stripped heads, and unnecessary frustration.
Trust me, using a bad screwdriver is like trying to eat soup with a fork. Technically possible, emotionally painful.
If you enjoyed this review, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with someone whose toolbox needs an upgrade. Thanks for watching Tool Talk Pro, and keep your tools turning smoothly.